What's up YouTube? Today we're making jambalaya. So you want to get yourself the ingredients ready. Onion, medium size, dice that up like so. Then you want to get yourself a red pepper, medium to large, and you want to get that cut up into strips. Best way to do it, chop the head and tail off the pepper, then run your knife around the inside to get rid of the pith and seeds. That'll give you one long surface area to work with. Get yourself some chorizo, 75 grams, slice that up, mine's from Aldi. Some Cajun seasoning, this one's extra hot. I wouldn't exactly know why it says it's extra hot. Plum tomatoes, and then get yourself some chicken stock, 350 mils. Pyrex dish in. I'm using one of those liquidy stock pots. And then you get some long grain rice, 250 grams, 2 medium chicken breasts, chop those bad boys up, not too small, 2 cloves of garlic, get them in a press, or if you get fancy, use your knife, chop that bad boy like so. And then cooking in a saute pan. You use my trusty Creuset. You want to brown the chicken, so a little bit of oil, leave them into brown, flip them over, get them nice and coloured. Then you soften the onions, which you've already done like so. Add a bit of salt just to draw the moisture out of the onions, that really helps. Brown them off, add the garlic, tip in your peppers. Then you add your chorizo, in you go, and then you give that a good stir for around 2 to 5 minutes. I wait till the oils from the chorizo start to release and the peppers start to soften. Then you want to get your chicken back in, give that a little bit of a stir, and then you want to take the rice and sprinkle that all over. There you go. Take your plum tomatoes. I've used some Sainsbury's one, I think these are, so use whatever you've got to hand. Stir that in, get all the rice mixed in. Then you add that chicken stock, cover like so, voila. Then we're going. My advice is it's 25 minutes. After about 15, just check it because it will catch on the bottom. A bit like paella. Apparently, jambalaya is an American dish brought over by the Spanish, and it's a cousin of paella. So I reckon this cooked for about 22.5 minutes. It probably has something to do with it being a cast iron pan, which is hotter than the sun. Plate that up. This meal's amazing. It's a great midweek meal for the family. My kid absolutely goes nuts for chorizo. She's always at my table trying to steal it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do next, as the ideas just come to me. Thanks a lot. All the best. Cheerio.